Good night, my love.
Good night, my love.
I love you.
I love you too.
Sleep well.
You too. Sweet dreams.
Oh, what was that?
What was what?
That sound.
I heard nothing.
Don't joke with me.
I am not joking.
That was clearly you, huh?
No. It was the bed.
The bed does not make that sound.
This bed is very old.
So are you.
Exactly. And I am innocent.
It smells guilty.
That is the night air.
The night air does not smell like that.
Maybe it came from outside.
From where? The window is closed.
Then it is a mystery.
You always deny everything.
Because I did nothing.
Next time, say excuse me.
Excuse the bed.
Good night.
Good night.
Learn English with fun.